So in my food processor I've got 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla flavouring, and the leftover sweet potato which I cooked yesterday. I'm just going to blitz that together and I'm going to make sweet potato pancakes. So there is the batter, and how lovely does that look? So I'm just heating up my moulds. Pop some of the batter in there. Not going to cook it on too high heat because I don't want it to burn. Okay, so there they are, cooking away. I'm going to leave them till more bubbles start to appear, and then I'll have a go releasing them and flipping them over. Okay, so the ones in the moulds are a little bit thick. They're very soft, really quite nice actually in texture. You could fold them, I suppose. They're quite difficult to get out because I think I made them too deep. So the rest of the batch I've decided just to put some little blobs in the pan, and when the bubbles come through a bit more I'm going to flip them over. So I think this might be a more successful way of making these sweet potato pancakes. Okay, so the little ones came out a little bit better. So a bit sticky because I've got some Walden Farms pancake syrup on them. A little bit like bellinis, I suppose, that kind of a shape. They came out better than the big ones. They're quite difficult to cook because they're quite soft. Okay, I've got some strawberries and fat-free yoghurt, and I've got a tablespoon of strawberry Walden Farms jam. I quite like that, and it's 0 up to 100 grams. So there it is, scrummylicious sweet potato pancakes. Quite difficult to cook, but I'm sure it's well worth mastering that, not getting it too hot to begin with.